this briefing, I just want to thank you all, especially the negotiators, for bringing us thus far. Not only previous months through after pre-COP, and of course the last couple of the last week or so, where we've had the team in the preparatory stage talking to a whole lot of people and a whole lot of groups, and out of that we've come up with something that we can run with tomorrow and hopefully be endorsed by the parties, which is very important at the end of the exercise. We've been given a mandate. The mandate is given to us by the parties through UNFCCC. You must remember all that. We've been given a mandate, and initially we were given the Paris Agreement and facilitative dialogue, but over the last couple of weeks, we've been given an additional mandate, which is the 2020. So we're going to run with those three, and we want total support from everyone with regards to those three. I want to tell you about, for those of you that have not been to the bond zone, that'll be a very exciting place to go. All the excitement will be there, all the entertainment by our police team. I want just to thank all of you in the negotiation team that have done wonderful work in the last week, getting this thing together and getting Fiji ready for tomorrow.
Jointly, the US $100 billion per year by 20 for simplifying access to finance is in engaging in detail the presidency here did. Thank you.
Ensuring that there are enough women on the
facilitating this particular item in May, the minister's permit.
But I want to tell you, especially the negotiators, that you know, a few years ago, not many people know about this. Maybe just Amena, Sai, Peter, but now a whole lot of you are involved in this process, preparing Fiji for COP23. I want to tell you that I'm very proud of you, especially those of you that have been working hard in the last year, last 12 months, especially after pre-COP, and most especially in the last week. I want to tell you how proud I am of you, and I want you to make Fiji proud when we finish here in 3 weeks' time. 2 weeks' time? 2 weeks' time. I want us to go back with our heads held up high, because there's a whole lot of Fijian people waiting for us when we come back home. Thank you. God bless you all.